sinaunang Pilipino.
And
Magsalita
today morning, she reading book. Every each book, she have to read 2 pages. So, the book is she's reading is 9 pieces. So, 9 pieces her book reading. So, every 9 pieces, each that one, she have to read. Each book is 2 pages. And then, she reading that book 3 times or 4 times or 2 times a day.
Pagbubuod. Ang mga sinaunang Pilipino ay madaling nakiangkop sa kahit na anong uri ng klima. Di